Hello once again, it's Thorncrest Ford and it's Ron the photographer video guy. And next up, instead of doing a video of one Bronco Sport, I'm doing a twofer. These are both shadow black with ebony black interior, Bronco Sports. They both have active grille shutters. They both have the 1.5 liter 3-cylinder engine. But there is a slight difference between the two. Let me show you what it is. Let's start with this one. Like I said, this is a Bronco Sport 2024 Big Bend edition in shadow black. It's got the painted alloy rims. Nice clean unit. Of course, it's brand new. It only has delivery kilometers on it. Again, the roof racks on both. Both of them have a Class 2 trailer hitch package, so you can tow. Don't ask me what the limit on the tow is because I have no idea at this moment. Of course, the useful feature that they all have. You want just to get in through the window, reach in quick, or open up the whole back. And again, even with the rear 60-40 split seats up, there's a huge amount of space here. Very, very useful. Of course, pretty tough there. And of course, like I said, Class 2 hitch package. Back seat. The standard 2 cups. Power ports, vents, contrast fabrics. Liven things up. Check out to see what we have in the front. Power windows, power door locks, power driver's seat, your light controls, and your rotary switch knob, your GOAT modes, your e-brake. Does not have wireless charging, but again, it has 2 USB ports. Buttons and knobs for AC and heat. Of course, here we have our small center stack, home button, audio. We don't want to play right now. And of course, your phone connectivity.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once.
Exactly. And again, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And of course, the standard backup camera, which Ford does so very, very well. Start stop button. Extra shelf for storage. Simple dials with a little bit of configurability. Again, like I said, this one has 17.3 kilometers on it. Let's look at the engine quickly. It's the same engine for both units. It's the 1.5 liter 3-cylinder, which generates 180 horsepower and 190 pound-foot of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Again, small engine, big on power, and of course, super fuel efficient. So normally I would say, if you're looking for one, that's the end of this video. But now let's see the difference between that one and this one. This one is identical, except it has the Black Diamond off-road package. Now what that means is you get these super cool billet-looking aluminum 17-inch rims. And what I really, really like is this hood graphic, the small Bronco. I think that's a really nice touch. Also has a Class 2 trailer hitch, like I said. And the other thing it has, because it has the off-road package, is it has, and I'm not going to show it to you because I'd have to get down on the floor, and if I did, I'm an old person. I wouldn't be able to get up again. It has 4 steel bash plates underneath, covering the fuel tank and other parts to give you extra protection when you do, in fact, go off-roading. And like I said, with the hood graphic, it also has the Bronco badging here, which I think is cool. Otherwise, it is identical to the other unit. Like I said, Class 2 trailer hitch. Same interior specifications. Just looking at it quickly. It's identical. Like I said, it does have a few extra options. So if you are very intent on going off-roading, both of them will do it. This one is capable, but if you want a little bit more peace of mind when you're going over some rocky crags, this is the one that you want to get. Again, these are two brand new 2024 Bronco Sports, both big bends. This one is standard, and this one, of course, like I said, is the Black Diamond off-road package. Both available today at Thorncrest Ford. Thanks for watching this.